Hi, my name is Lynn Huff.
My name's Jeff Boone.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Skelton.
Hey everybody, I'm Phil Farley and I am with Yumi in the RV.
My name is Arlene Medine.
Thomas Wooten.
Hi, I'm Jeff Holman from Baton Rouge.
Hi, my name is Ashley Reyes.
All right, my name is Noel Fouts.
So my name is Quinn, and I've been working the past couple years at a resort and on guest experience, and just really being able to make the world happen and everything happen for the guests that I'm working for and serving.
I'm here today to learn more about my RV. I full time. I've already run into issues and having a hard time getting anybody out to help fix it, even when I'm stationary for 2-3 months at a time. So I want to learn for myself and possibly start a mobile RV tech business.
I'm here at the NRVTA and I'm hoping to pick up a few skills that'll help me troubleshoot and repair my own RV. We've been full-time 2.5 years now, so inevitably something's going to break and I'm going to need to fix it on a Sunday evening when nobody else is around.
I'm planning to come to the class to learn more about how to fix my own rig, and one of the things that but actually got me thinking about maybe doing a mobile business was a couple of months ago. I had trouble with my awning. It was going out, but it wouldn't come back in, and I tried a bunch of stuff to fix it, and finally I went into a local RV shop to buy some parts, and I was trying to ask the guy for help and what I should do, the parts guy, and he actually gave me the name of two mobile guys. I'm in Baton Rouge, so he gave me two names, and neither one of the guys were local, so I guess there's not many people in Baton Rouge.
Yeah, I got into this because I had a travel trailer. We bought a Class C. I didn't want the travel trailer sitting around collecting dust, so I started collecting a few more travel trailers and leased them out. The lease at this point in time is very lucrative. They're getting about $100 a night. It's been leased out since June 1st through September 1st, just about every day. It's just kind of a business that's really taken off.
I'm here at the NRVTA to learn how to take care of my soon-to-be purchased RV. I'll be going full-time next spring, and I want to learn as much as I can about taking care of the RV so that I don't have to pay someone else to do that.
I'm here from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm actually here as an investment for my folks who are just getting into the RV lifestyle and retirement a few years from now, and so it was their idea. We need to know this stuff. We're going to do this for a living. Let's put the money in for you, figure it out, learn about it, let's potentially start a business.
Yeah, I just recently started full-time RVing. We've transitioned from working overseas for the past 15 years. I'm a technician, aviation mechanic, and a technical person. I was a software engineer in a previous life, and I just love learning all things technical. So came here to take in all 5 weeks for the certified technician program, and planning on starting a technician business on the side. Start off when I'm in the RV parks if people need help. Basically put up a sign, say I'm open for business, and see how that goes.
Just bought an RV last week, and my family is more supportive if I knew how to work on it. And I'm interested in starting a mobile tech business. This is the right time and place and opportunity for me to make that happen. I'm with my partner, Hannah, and my 2 fur babies, HQ and Say. We've been on the road for 1 week. We purchased our rig, I believe sometime last week, and we started our travels on last Sunday. So it took us about 5 days to get here.
I went to the class because I want to start a business of RV inspecting. I understand the ethics of it. I'm a policy person, and for me, helping other people understand the RV and what they're looking for in purchasing an RV specifically is important to me. So just being able to have the information and share it is important to me.